Hi, welcome to SellerSonar. So for today's video, we're going to talk about our Amazon listing quality checker tool, or what we also call as our LQS checker. So first, go to our website, sellersonar.com, and then click on Solutions and look for LQS checker page over here or tab, or you can also scroll to the very bottom of the page and click on LQS tracker over here. So either way, you'll be routed here in our Amazon listing quality checker page. So what is the LQS checker tool? Basically, it's SellerSonar's AI-powered analyzer tool, which was created to help our users identify or spot areas of improvement in their current Amazon listings. So you might be wondering, what are the criterias of having a good Amazon listing, right? So let me just show you. So according to common Amazon best practices, a good listing must have the following criterias. So first, it must have a main product image with high resolution and at least white background. Next, must have a product title consisting of up to 200 characters and with relevant keywords as well. Then, it must not have restricted keywords to avoid being flagged or suppressed by Amazon. Also, it must show product ratings and reviews, also badges. Then, it must also have other images to support its features and details. Then, it should also have high quality product videos. And also, it must have at least five product bullet points to showcase its features and benefits of the products. So that's where our LQS checker tool comes in, because basically the LQS checker tool scans your current listings and provides scores based on their current criteria, and also includes a couple of suggestions on how you can improve those areas or criterias on your listings. All right, so let me just show you how it works. So once you're at our Amazon listing quality checker page, just need to copy paste the ASINs that you want to be checked by our LQS checker or the listing quality score checker. Type your ASINs over here and then click on the check box. So for example, let's try this ASIN here. Copy paste them over here. Select your specific marketplaces. Let's say Amazon.com and click on check. So it usually takes a couple of minutes for the system to analyze the listings for this ASIN. And once it's done, this is how it's going to look like. Need to scroll down a bit. So the overall LQS score is 78 for this ASIN that we have tested. So there's an overall description as well. Also, if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see here the list of criterias from your Amazon listing, together with their corresponding LQS scores and a couple of suggestions from our system on how you can improve these areas on your listings. All right. Also, if you try to log in to your seller's Sonar account, you will be able to see listing quality scores in a lot of. So from the dashboard page, you'll be able to see them here in the running issue section over here. Also, if you go to the products page, click here on the cards tab. You can filter out the list of products based on their LQS scores. Okay. So for example, you want to click on this one, click apply. It's going to give you the list of products with those LQS scores within this range that you have selected for the filter over here. If you click on them, same thing. A pop-up window will show you the overall score for the LQS checker, the overall description, and below that will be the criterias from your listing together with their current LQS scores. And once you click on it, it's going to provide you the suggestions on how you can improve these areas on your listings. All right. Also, if you click on competitors, you will also be able to see their LQS scores here. And also, if you go to the alerts and filter out like recent changes on your listings, for example, title changed, and click on it. So you will also be able to see the scores. So, for example, title change alert for this one. So from previous 100% LQS score, it now became 80. So every time there's an update on your listings, like unauthorized changes to titles, descriptions, and images, the LQS scores will also be updated over here in the alert section. All right. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you